Hello guys, welcome to FreshoBee. In today's video, we'll talk about the detailed information regarding the Infosys training process. Before that, let me tell you about our channel. We provide all the latest information regarding the various job openings and videos regarding the onboarding procedure and about the exam process, about the training process of various MNCs. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so that you can get all the information regarding such videos. So today's video is about the detailed information regarding the Infosys training process. So let's move forward with the today's video. So the Infosys training basically includes total 3 types of trainings that are mainly first one is generic training, second one is stream training, and third one will be soft skill training. The total training period is about 4 to 6 months. So the training process have total 5 phases. In this manner they conduct their training. They'll very first begin with the induction program that will be held for total 5 days. Then they'll go with the soft skill training for 3 days, then for generic training for 35 days, and after this they'll go with the soft skill training again for 3 more days, and after this they'll go with the stream training for 43 days. So this is the basic phases they conduct during the training process. So now we'll see about the subjects they conduct during the generic training. The very first subject is FA1, that is Java. In this subject they'll go with the hands-on and MCQ assessment and on subjects like Java, OOP and data structures. And note that the candidate must score minimum 65% marks to clear this training. And in FA2 they'll go with the DBMS, that is database management system, and here also they'll conduct the hands-on training and MCQ assessment for this subject too. And here also one have to score minimum 65% marks to clear this assessment. And in FA3 they'll go with the project assessment related to the software engineering. Here is also the same process, that first they'll conduct the hands-on training and after go with the MCQ assessment. Make note that you have to score minimum 65% marks in each of the assessments conducted in all 3 FA subjects, and if one is getting less than 65% marks, then you still have 2 more attempts to clear the exam. Means there are total 3 attempts to clear these assessments. After successfully clearing the generic training and all the assessments, the candidate will be further moved with the stream training. So now we'll see about the stream training. Stream training basically includes mainly 4 subjects, that is FA1, FA2, FA3 and FA4. FA4 basically includes the assessments regarding the project, and they'll provide total 18 courses which will be included like Microsoft, Java, IMS, Oracle, etc. And in stream training the domains will be allocated randomly to all the candidates qualified. So firstly they'll make proper batches of all the selected candidates and they'll divide all the domains randomly to all those batches. So there will be hands-on training and MCQ assessment for the same as we have seen in the generic training. So in stream training the one must have to score minimum 50% marks to clear these assessments. So if you are getting less than 50% marks, then you still have 2 more attempts to clear the exam. And make sure that all the 4 subjects, the aggregate of all the 4 assessments you are giving in your stream training must be 65%. Then and then only you are clearing the stream training process. So after stream training we'll go with the soft skill training. So in soft skill training they'll train you people on your communication skills and your business etiquettes. So here also they'll conduct all the assessments accordingly. So in this way we have seen all the information regarding the Infosys training process. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment your queries below the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to Fresho Bee for more such amazing videos. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.